So hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Preetham K Pravachan. So this is I think the 10th episode. Damn, we are making progress. Okay, so आज की जो story है, so this girl actually changed my worldview. So like okay, before me getting into the nitty gritty, so yeah, let's not get into that thing. Let's jump straight into the story because this is going to be an interesting one. ठीक है? So ये बंदी जो थी, so this she was my college senior. So जब मैं first year में था, so basically my story was when I came to college, I was this extroverted guy who used to speak it with everyone. So majority मेरा जो group था, it was more of like I was this first sem guy which was hanging out with fourth year college guys and girls, majority girls. So, you know, I had that reputation कि ये बंदा ऐसा है because I had yeah. So ये बंदी she was from fourth year. So क्या सीन था, I used to talk with everyone and eventually like somehow I just we came in contact. तो उसके बाद she was like you know, तू सबके साथ कैसे बात कर लेता है, don't you feel that anxiety or something, that kind of thing. So मैंने कहा नहीं यार, and see me genuinely I love to help people, okay. So मैं like I used to set tasks for her कि you know what, and that person was like very depressive. ऐसा सीन था उस बंदे का. So I used to set task कि जा उस बंदे से बात करके आ जा, you know, today you have to talk to that canteen वाली आंटी, that kind of thing. So या हमारे ऐसे छोटे मोटे चलते रहता था क्या ना, like that's it. तो उसके बाद कॉलेज ख़त्म हो गया, few years down the line she reached out to me. So कॉलेज ख़त्म होने के बाद, so hey how are you, उसका basically कॉलेज ख़त्म हो गया था and I was still in the college. So she reached out to me. Yes, yeah, I think on phone, yeah. Yeah. So उसके बाद, hey, how are you doing? I'm going through this thing. Can you help me? So I should recommend her books, ये वो. उसके बाद again she reached out to me, and I had recommended her a book. It's called Psycho-Cybernetics. So after she read that thing, उसके बाद she again few months passed by, and again she reached out to me. You know what? That book completely changed my life. Thank you so much for your recommendation. I had suicidal thoughts, मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था ये वो, but you know you have had an impact on me, that kind of thing. So I was like, hey, happy to help. Then फिर हमारा ऐसे ही decide हुआ कि चलो मिलते हैं, okay? So तो हम लोग गए एक कैफ़े में, like we kind of met or something. I picked her up and we went there. ये बंदी ऐसी थी कि I was like ठीक है चल अभी फोटोज़ खींचते हैं. So she was so shy to even come in front of camera. So like she was like कुछ भी कर, I don't want to click a picture. Like I'm very camera shy. मेरे को I don't like the way I look in camera. So I never click any of my pictures. I was like okay. So I tried to click. She was like straight up refused. मैंने कहा ठीक है तेरी इच्छा. But somehow I was like okay, this is going to be a task, you know what. And we kind of clicked some shitty pictures here and there. And ठीक है. So I just dropped her off. So again like a year passed by, went by. Again she reached out to me. तो ये हमारा टाइम था दिवाली वाला टाइम. So she was like ठीक है आ जाओ, like we'll kind of hang out. So again we kind of hanged out. So this time I was like you know what, हम street पे we are going to run. She was like hell no, I'm not going to do that. मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं तू कर रही है because you know we have to grow, right, that kind of thing. So she kind of tried running ये वो, but dude, she was completely like you know but I could see that she had worked on herself. So yeah, like good thing for her. But again like yeah, that's it. फिर again we stopped talking. फिर उसके बाद again few months went. I know this story is kind of boring but I am going to make a really good point here, ठीक है. So उसके बाद she again she reached out to me and she was like I'm getting married, so yeah, this is the invitation kind of thing. Like hey, happy to hear that, best luck, उतना ही. So I thought ठीक है अभी क्या ही मतलब होगा. So after that thing again few months went by, maybe a more or less like 10 months or something went by where we weren't in contact. So एक दिन मेरे को usually I don't save girls number, okay, मेरे पास ऐसे screenshot पड़े रहता है. So इस बंदी का भी मेरे पास नंबर नहीं था. So somehow I was just going through my old files in my drive. I found a screenshot of a number. I was like, ये क्या है? So I just searched for it and I was like, oh fuck, yeah, what's she up to? So I just called her. उसने उठाया नहीं. First of all, I was very hesitant because she's married and वो चुतियापा like it was already like 8 p.m. or something. So I was like, I don't know if I should do it. Still, I just gave few rings. उसने उठाया नहीं तो मैं सोचा चल कोई ना. Then I left my phone and I ate or something. फिर 9:30 तक मैंने वो I just checked my phone. She already had given me like 2 missed calls. So मैंने कहा okay, interesting. So I just picked up and called her. She's like, hey, how are you doing? तो आगे से बोलती मेरे को लगा तू भूल गया मेरे को. You weren't wanted to talk to me. मैंने कहा है like weren't you the one who was getting married? हाँ हाँ हो कैसे चल रही है ज़िंदगी. Then I could already see कि ये बंदी was not even the same person. She had shifted a lot. She was a lot open, and जब हमारा कॉल हुआ था we ended up speaking for like good 2-3 hours. And उस टाइम पे she had already told a lot of things. कि what, her about her intimate life, कि ऐसा रहता वैसा रहता, that kind of thing. So yeah, like I still remember that call. उसके बाद हमारा डिसाइड हुआ कि चल even you are in the same city and even I'm going to come anyway. So 1-2-4 दिन बात हुई हमारी, चैट वैट हुआ. Then फिर we ended up meeting. So हाँ, now this is the real story which starts. अब तक जो भी बोला, so you have a good idea of this girl. As I told, this girl taught a lot of things to me. So यहाँ तक जो भी you heard the story. Now start. This was like pre-thing, so you know what the character is. Excuse me. Now let's start the story. So we decided. So we basically decided to meet, and she was, and I was actually driving from my hometown to the new place. So वहाँ पे took me थोड़ा सा हमारा like we were going to meet at 6, but somehow that thing I went around 7:30. Late हो गया था. So she came बाद में. So when she came, I saw, obviously I took my car and went, and मैंने उसको देखा and I just opened the door and she was sitting on a bike. उसके बाद before coming in my car, she basically was outside and stared at the door and the seat. Should I get in? Should I get in? Not. वो एक pause रहता ना, good 2-3 second, 4 second. And finally, she was like, fuck it, and she just came and sat in the car. The moment she came, I could see the tension, वो थोड़ा सा, oh, I'm doing something wrong kind of thing. So I just started the car, we started going. And that bitch purposefully had her मंगलसूत्र ऐसे बाहर, okay? So I was like, hey, how are you doing? This, that, easy, that kind of thing. And I didn't try to make it awkward. I was like, hey, chill, because we were meeting first of all from a very long time, and this time the circumstances were very different. So finally we went to this place, we started talking, and when we were walking, like somehow like obviously the arms and all were touching, right? So she was like, इतने नज़दीक से मत चल मेरे, someone might see. तो मैं पकड़ा, I just pushed her, like जा, दूर रह, that kind of thing. She was like, ha ha ha. So eventually, so the way I made this thing was, you know what, you're going to experiment different things, you're going to do things with me which I've never done, that kind of thing. So we just walked, and she was like, hey, I had a question for you. This time she was a completely different girl. She was speaking, she was open. तो मैंने बोला चल अभी, I made a run, फिर ऐसे ही बहुत सारी चीज़ें. And then एक गेट था वहाँ पे, and basically it was a private property and there was a gate. उस साइड खेत कुछ था, ऐसा कुछ था. मैं सोचा चल वहाँ चढ़ के अंदर जाता है. She was like, no, hell no. So I just took her hand and I saw her pulse. देख, your heartbeat is fast, right? She was like, yes, तू कर रही है. She was like, no. मैंने कहा चल मैं जा रहा हूँ, तू आ जा. So I basically jumped that side and मैं उसको देखा. I was standing there for good 5-10 seconds. Then she left right देखा उसने. She was like, fuck it. So even she climbed and she came inside. So I just went inside and we sat. So even she sat for like 5-10 seconds. Then she was like, Preetham, get up now. This is too much. Let's go. So I got रुकना, but fine. Eventually we just got out of there. उसके बाद she was like happy, oh my god, like I did that. Yeah, you did. So वी काइंड ऑफ स्टार्टेड गोइंग वॉकिंग ऑन द रोड. अगेन वहाँ पे जाके कुछ एक खेत था, तो मैंने कहा चल वहाँ जाते हैं, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो वी जस्ट सैट देयर एंड साला एक कुत्ता आ गया बीच में. द कुत्ता स्टार्टेड बार्किंग. मैंने कहा भाई चल. So I just took a stone and threw and hit that dog. So then she was like, नहीं चल यहाँ से. It's like I hate dogs, that kind of thing. So eventually we were like, कहाँ पे बैठना है? तो जाके हम लोग कार पे बैठ गए. So we were just sitting in the back seat and ठीक है, like we just ended up speaking. Dude, कुछ नहीं. She was straight up sitting like a normal person. Nothing. Okay, absolutely nothing. So हमारी बात हुई ये वो. I was like, come and sit this side. She was like, नहीं मैं ठीक हूँ, that kind of thing. So yeah, eventually I was like ठीक है. So after like good speaking for like 5, 10, 15 minutes, I was like ठीक है चल लेट हो रहा है, I'll drop you off. So गए and I just dropped her off. ठीक है. तो ठीक है. So next day even like I think day like 2-3 दिन बाद even we reached out again, चल फिर से जाता है, that kind of thing. So वहाँ पे again we went to the same location. This time we were just sitting. मैंने बोला चल पीछे. So that bitch was straight up like nah, मैं यही बैठने वाली हूँ. I was like ठीक है like फिर वो हम क्या बोलते हैं सीट वीट ऐसा पीछे करके बैठे थे. We were just kind of leaning and we were just sleeping. Nothing, again nothing. We just spoke this that. फिर एक point आया जहाँ पे मेरा सर का. I was like what am I even doing? This is bullshit. So after a point, फिर I was like she was speaking, she was like shit testing ये वो. फिर I was like get up, I'll drop you off. तो बोलते हैं like अभी तो आए. मैंने कहा पता है मेरे को, चल अब मेरे को कुछ काम है. और she was like even she was like taken back, क्या हो गया इसको. So eventually फिर like to be honest in that moment I was like fuck it, I'm never going to see this girl again, I'm done. ठीक है. तो फिर I just went and जहाँ से मैंने उसको पिक किया था she basically walked and came. So उसका घर और 2-3 किलोमीटर दूर था. So मैंने पहले ही छोड़ दिया, यहाँ से पिक किया मैंने तेरे को यहीं पे छोड़ूंगा. she was like नहीं प्लीज़ ना, मेरे को थोड़ा लेट हो जाएगा, अभी अंधेरा भी है, छोड़ दे मेरे को वहाँ पे. मैंने कहा ना जा, चल के जा. So she kind of begged कि नहीं प्लीज़ छोड़ दे. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है. So I took the car and went near her place. चल यहीं पे रोक दे because I don't want anyone to see. मैंने कहा ठीक है. So I dropped her off. In my head I was like this is it, this is the last time I'm ever going to see this girl. So I dropped her off and fuck it. फिर the next day, to be honest I was like that's it, this is it. So the next day उसका मैसेज आया मेरे को कि hey are you still there, कि तू चला गया. So मैंने कहा ना बोल. तो बोलती है I want to gift you something. मैंने कहा क्या. So तू बता कब फ्री है and yeah I want to gift you something. मैंने कहा ठीक है. So हम लोग गए and yeah basically a scene had happened. So the first time we met, you remember पीछे हम लोग बैठे थे. So there we kind of had hugged. Okay. And there she had like tears in her eyes and she kind of cried. ठीक है. So फिर yeah उसके बाद in that text she said the things which you have done for me like no one has done for me, so I just want to gift you something. मैंने कहा ठीक है. So उसने कुछ तो बोला था like मसाज कुछ तो ये वो like in the spa or something. I'm like मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है, anyways I'm going like afternoon, तो quickly कुछ तो. Then she was like ठीक है I'll treat you somewhere, like we'll have food or something. So एक nice जगह I'll take you there. मैंने कहा ठीक है. So I went there, picked her up and फिर जाने के बाद फिर हम लोग एक she was like we'll go to this place. वहाँ पे गए. मेरा आधार कार्ड नहीं था एक्चुअली. ठीक है. So that person was like show your आधार कार्ड. कौन सा आधार कार्ड भाई, like ठीक है whatever. Then we eventually shifted and the plan was ठीक है we'll go and eat food in a nice hotel. वहाँ पे गए हम लोग and those people were like it's too early, you have to wait like 10-15 minutes. तो हम लोग ऐसे ही बैठे थे, we were having a chit chat nice in the lobby everything. Then eventually they were like okay we are open now. So we went and we had a nice time eating. So बातें हुई यहाँ पे ये वो. So उसके बाद like ठीक है and then it was time to go. फिर obviously she paid. She was like मेरी शादी होने के बाद this is the first time I'm actually paying with my card. and you're the first guy I'm treating. Like, I never, like, you know. And तो उसके बाद we were in the lift, and the moment that lift door closed, I just looked at her, she looked at me, and suddenly, like, we kind of came close. Okay, kind of half hugged, and I just clicked a picture. ठीक है, मतलब आज I will click a picture. वहाँ पे मैं वो moment बना था. Okay, I could felt that thing. I was like, shit. Okay, so right, उसके बाद like we obviously ended up going in the car, and you know, in the car वो बंदी, she was like, उसने अपने like whatever she was wearing, she removed her footwear, and she was legit kept her feet on the dashboard. मैंने कहा है like इसके बाप की कार है क्या? Like I was legit like that, and she leaned and she was like, she was in that zone where I just asked her how were things after getting married, everything, that kind of thing. So there I got to know a lot of dark stuff. ठीक है, so I told you this was full of lessons. So मैंने I have explained a lot of before क्या सीन था, कैसी बंदी थी, क्या थी. So this time, see, this girl earned a lot of money compared to her husband. Okay, so बोलती कि I was 26 when I got married. मेरे को ना मेरी ज़िंदगी में कोई बंदा होता था, कुछ नहीं था. So I straight up got married to the guy which I could get my hands on. And ऐसा भी नहीं कि वो you know बहुत सही दिखता है वो शाहरुख. मैं I just said कि अच्छा हम जैसे अभी बाहर गए, what if your husband goes out with his friend or something. तो बोलती है I'll divorce him. हाँ you know, but देख, एक तो दिखने में भी इतना कुछ खास नहीं है, शाहरुख खान नहीं है, ठीक है, तो मेरे से कमाता भी कम है, तो व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ इवन लाइक टू फटी मेरी वहाँ पे, ठीक है. सो आई वाज लाइक इफ दिस गर्ल हु वाज सो शाई, हु वाज सो यू नो आई डोंट इवन क्लिक पिक्चर्स, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, वहाँ से आके दिस गर्ल इज लाइक दिस. ओके, प्रैक्टिकल एज फक डूड, like shit. Okay, so we had a lot of conversations ki ye wo, then eventually like well going कि हाँ, तो there was a point where I just dropped her. She was like ठीक है, मेरे को drop कर दे यहाँ पे. Before that एक हमको पता नहीं 1 किलोमीटर बाद आने में drop. So we kind of were holding hands in the car. So we were holding hands, this that, and फिर उसके बाद while going I was like, you know what, you should just give me a peck on my cheek. तो बोलते नहीं कोई देख लेगा. She wanted to, but she was very hesitant. कोई देख लेगा ये वो. So eventually she just kind of leaned down and kissed my hand or something, and she got down and she went. So ये हो गया, and obviously nothing really happened. Okay, nothing really happened because yeah, whatever. So ना मेरे को कुछ हाँ. Okay, so the lessons here were कि we men usually are like, you know, कि यार इसका दिल नहीं दुखाते हैं, you know, इसको बुरा लग जाएगा, that kind of thing. But dude, the point here is they are very sophisticated, they are already so much complex, they know how to play this game of life. Okay, so दिल दुखाना वुखाना कुछ नहीं भाई. they can just handle themselves like anything. 2 दिन रोएंगे, तीसरे दिन उठ जाएंगे and they'll get back to the work. But we men, if something happens, bro, we are fucked. कबीर सिंह बन जाते 3 महीने 4 महीने 6 महीने, we just waste. And we always think about the like, यार how can I make things work. But these women are very strong mentally, emotionally, everything. कोई भी चूतिया से चूतिया बंदिया उठा के देख लो, they are very emotionally stable. So the point of this whole thing was, I know this story wasn't like a spicy one, nothing. So the whole point of this thing was, I had seen that girl. From there she came here and she was so logical, practical. I was like, I should take inspiration from you for the transformation which you have made. That's where this whole concept of you know, learning and multiple options, that kind of thing came to me. Like, okay, nahi. You know what, I have to learn a lot about how a woman's mind work. Otherwise they are just going to eat me alive and they're just going to fuck me up. So, you know, I had saw a lot of instances where a guy just बर्बाद हो जाता है, ये that kind of thing. And I just saw this girl was very dark, practical, no emotions, logician. I'm like, ये जो बंदी है ना, she's far more logical than any guy I've ever seen. So yeah, this was a quick story. So lessons were like, she taught a lot of things to me because I've seen over the years. I just realized girls, they evolve like anything, whereas us man, we don't. So for us to evolve, we need experiences. The experiences we only get by going and putting ourselves through that thing and learning from it. मैं कुछ भी कितना भी बैठ के तुमको लोगों को like you know theory समझाऊंगा, no. It's more like if you go through it, then you'll learn your lessons. But you have to go through it, right? So this was a nice story about my college senior. Hope you had a nice time listening to it and you got a lot out of it. Again, thanks for listening to Preetham K. Pravachan. And if you have any comments or if you want to share your thoughts or anything, please let me know. And yeah, thanks for listening. I will see you in the next episode. Cheers.